Hello, in this video I'm going to put together a fractured card design. Now the paper collection I'm using is from the Crafty Witches. It's a digital download collection called Flowers for Mum Kit. Now the card size that I'm using is a 7x7 card, and these are the layers that I've printed off from the kit. So I've got my solid colour, which is 16.5 centimetres. Then I've got a white layer, which is 16 centimetres, and then one of the papers from the collection, which is 15.5 centimetres. And then to make the fracture design, I've got a square here that I've used cut from the solid colour, and that's 6 centimetres, and that will go at a diamond angle on the card. And then I've chosen and cut one of the toppers out. I've left a small white border around the outside, and also a sentiment. Now to make the fracture design, you're going to need 4 strips of paper. Each one of these measures 1 centimetre by 17 centimetres. Now the length will depend on what size card that you're making at the time. So I'm just going to put these together. So first of all, I'll mat and layer these two together. Okay, and then that's going to be attached to the card base. Okay, so that's the first layer. Now for the actual fracture design, so I'm using the pattern paper and then the solid colour, so I'm just going to attach that to the pattern paper. And I'm going to put that there. I mean, it doesn't really matter where you put it on there, because you'll just have a different shape on the sides. And then you'll need the strips and next. Now this one I'm going to start just at the edge there and take it all the way across. And get glue everywhere. And then my next strip, will then go up to the point there and left to go all the way down. And just repeating each strip just around that square. And the last one. Just going to turn that around because I had a bit of a mark on there. So you see that just all goes around that square, and then you just need to turn it over and cut the extra off. So that is how you make the fractured look with your paper. So you can just stick that on there along with the topper and sentiment, or you can actually add, an easy way to just add some different colour paper. So this is one of the other pattern papers that I've printed off, and I'm actually just going to slot that in there just to break the colours up slightly. So to do this, I'm just going to add some glue onto that corner, and then carefully pop that in place up to the white strips, which that's firmly down, and then just flip it over and cut the extra away. And then I'm just going to add another piece just there. So again, just attach some glue there, and then just get that up to the edges of the strips like that. Make sure that's down. Flip that over. There you go, and then that's added different paper to the fractured card look. I mean, you can also do this by just using a piece of white card and then attach your centre and your strips to the white card, and then you could just add the different pattern papers and that on the outside instead of just using one solid pattern paper. So I'm just going to now attach that to my card base. Okay, I'm going to use some foam pads for my topper. I've just put them in the centres so it gives it a bit of a beveled look, and then that I'm just going to attach off to one side. And then I might actually lift that up slightly, and then just going to attach my sentiment just there. There you go. And that's just a quick and easy card to make, just with a different design. And again, it's called a fractured card. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you give this card a go. And I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.